Check out this 2007 Hummer H3. Carfax has certified this H3 as having one owner. This H3 has just under 62,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This H3 boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the regular production accessory, assist steps, chrome, tubular, not available with BVE, regular production accessory, black, tubular assist steps, or BVS, regular production accessory, black, flat running boards. For additional GM accessory offerings and installation, please contact your local GM accessory distributor. Installer: Audi, sunroof, power, extra large, engine, 3.7 LDOHC 5-cylinder MFI, standard, transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, and the wheels, 5/16 inches x 7.5, 40.6 cm x 19.1 cm, chromed aluminum, with 1SC preferred equipment group, not available with ZM6, off-road suspension package. Requires 1SA or 1SC preferred equipment group. Call 877-361-0989 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.